Dear learner, how are you? I am greatly optimistic that most of the students will get well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well and good by the grace of Almighty Allah. You all know well that our school has been closed for a long time due to COVID-19. Our school authority has decided to take online school. So today welcome all the students to share online school, which is enrolling Baliakandi Pilot Model High School, Baliakandi Rajbari. Now I am introducing with you. I am Mr. Mukul Hossain Mida, Assistant Teacher English, Baliakandi Pilot Model High School, Baliakandi Rajbari. Okay, dear learner. Okay. I am grateful. I am thankful to Almighty Allah to still I am well, and I am going to take my first online class, online class with you. So you know well that as it is my first class, so I am feel very proud, feel very excited to share my ideas with you. Okay. You actually our honorable teacher have taken many classes, online classes. As it is my first class, so I am going to take my first class with you. I am greatly optimistic that we will enjoy this class, and I will also share idea with you. You know that there are 4 type of question in English, such as general question, such as general question, then special question, general question, or yes no question, secondly special question, or WS question, then thirdly multiple choice question, or MCQ question, and finally tag question. Okay, dear learners, today I will discuss with you about tag question. You have already discussed another teacher about tag question. In spite of that, just today I will share my ideas with you. I am greatly optimistic that most of the students enjoy this class. Question. What is question? Question means that ask something, any person or any thing of a person. Tag means add something. Tag question. Okay. Now here a question tag. Tag means add something. Question, to ask something about a person or about a fact. Okay, dear learner. So now, what is tag question? Tag question is a question. Tag question is a special grammatical structure in English. A special structure in English by which in which we ask something about a person or about a fact, and and followed by mini question is called tag question. Okay, dear learner. Another explanation I deliver to you. Tag question is a question which is followed by mini question. We use tag question. We can use tag question to ask something, ask for confirmation. Okay. So, dear learners, there are 2 basic rules about tag question, such as if the main clause is positive, tag question is affirmative. Main question tag, if the main question is affirmative tag question is negative. Okay. If the main clause is affirmative, tag question is negative. If the main clause is negative, tag question will be affirmative. Okay. And how we will find it? The tense of the tag question followed by the tense of the tag question is determined by modal verb or auxiliary verb. Okay. I am giving some example such as I am a student. Aren't right? Here am plus not is turned into ain't oblique aren't. Okay. If the main clause subject is noun, tag question is pronoun. If the main clause subject is pronoun, tag question will be pronoun, such as Rohim goes to school. Dear student, here Rohim is noun, no doubt. So now here we use pronoun. Doesn't he? Okay. Okay, dear learners. There are some negative word is by born negative. In that case, we use affirmative, such as seldom, scarcely, hardly, few, little, etc. Okay. In that case, I am giving an example. He hardly comes here. Okay. Here hardly negative word. So in that case we use positive. Okay. Does he? Okay, dear learners. If the subject of the words of the base sentence, such as someone, somebody, no one, nobody, in that case, here we use as a tag question as a subject pronoun they, such as nobody believes a liar. Okay. Here nobody, we use they, go, they. Another example, no one can do this. Can't they? Okay, dear student, probably it is clear. I will give you another example about a question. Such as if the base sentence is beginning with these words such as nothing, anything, etc. In that case, we use as a pronoun it. Nothing. Example: nothing is impossible on earth. Is it? Nothing is impossible on earth. Is it? Then a barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog, here pretty well, here we use it, does it. Okay? Dear student, if we follow this rule, we will able to take good marks, especially in tech question. Actually, those students are weaker. Such kind of student it will be very helpful to share this class. So I am giving another example about tech question. Who cares? Who cares? Here, if we turn this sentence into assertive sentence, just imaginary nobody cares. Nobody cares. So in that case we use here nobody imaginary and then we use do they. Okay? Another example, he went to school. There is no auxiliary verb here. We find it the tense of the principal verb past indefinite here. In that case, we use the sentence is affirmative, no doubt. In that case, we use stack portion is negative. Did here went. Did, didn't he. Okay? Then another example. Give me a hand. It is an imperative sentence, know that. Imperative, if the imperative sentence is affirmative, tag question will be negative or affirmative. In that case, we use here negative or affirmative. Give me a hand. Will you? Will you or won't you? Won't you? Okay? Dear student, I will give you another example about tag question. Never tell a lie. Here the base sentence is negative, tag question is positive. Here it is an imperative sentence, no doubt. So in that case, here the subject is absent. So in that case, you second person you never negative, no doubt. Here will you? Okay. Be careful. Another imperative sentence. It is another imperative sentence. In that case, we use will you. Okay, dear student. Another example, everything looks beautiful. In that case, we use isn't it. Okay. Now I will give some sentences in your homework, such as open the door. 1, 2, open the door. He hardly comes here. Then I am a student. Time and tide wait for none. It is an exciting game. Okay, dear student, thanks to all to share my classes. So I am greatly optimistic that most of the students will keep and and staying at your home, and maintain social distancing. When you will go to the outside, you must have to wear mask and maintain social distancing. Thanks a lot. Thank you all. See you next class. Okay, bye.